Hello, I'm Ariana if you're new here. If you're not, welcome back to my channel. Today's video, I'm going to be showing you how to do a really cute basic eyeshadow look, perfect for day and night, perfect for beginners, and I love the eyeshadow looks that are super easy to do, but also kind of make it look like you know what you're doing. Okay, that's what we're going for. So I'm using the Too Faced Natural Nudes palette. You can use any brown neutral palette. This is what this one looks like, and I'm literally going to be going in with like 3 shades. So the first thing that I did was I took a flat brush and I'm kind of carving out my crease. So this is basically just me contouring my eyes. So we're going to kind of work with some skin tone colored shades. If you think about your bronzer shade or your contour shade, use a shade that's kind of similar to that, because as we do blend this out, it is going to create a really nice shape of our eye. So we're basically just kind of carving out our eye shape and making the shape kind of shift to a little bit bigger than it actually is. So we're kind of creating a false crease here, and the key for this is to make sure that your eyeshadow is blended into your brow bone and make it look like it's kind of blending into your nose, the sides of your nose, just to kind of make the flow look nice and seamless and just enhance your bone structure is what we're going for. You also do not have to use as much eyeshadow as I used, but as you can see as I'm blending it out, it is kind of disappearing and is creating that shadow that I'm going for. So it's really kind of opening up my eyes and making it look like my lid space is much bigger than it actually is. So after you blend that out, I'm going in with a kind of like bone white shade, and I'm just placing that under my brow bone just to make sure that it looks nice and highlighted, which is actually going to bring this part of my eyelid forward, and the part where we put the dark shade, the dark brown shade, is going to look a little bit more sunken in. So we're literally just kind of re-sculpting our eye shape. The next thing I did was I took a flat kind of blending brush. This is a flat dome shaped blending brush, and I'm just packing on the same shade from the brow bone onto my eyelid, and this is just gonna kind of separate the eyelid from the fake cut crease, the fake crease that we created. So I'm literally just placing it and blending it out in the shape that I want my new eyelid to look like. So you can kind of see a difference, a discrepancy from the crease to the eyelid. So that's basically it for the eyeshadow. We literally just kind of went in and kind of re-sculpted our eyes, contoured our crease, and now we're going in with the eyeliner. So you definitely do not have to do this. Eyeliner is always optional, but I feel like this kind of brought the look together just because the tones are the same. So I went in with a pencil liner, which is brown. That one's from Wet n Wild. I'll link everything down below. But I am just adding another element to this eyeshadow look to kind of give my eye shape a nice swooped, snatched look. So I added the eyeliner, and it is a little bit messy, which is totally fine. But after I kind of got the base shape of the eyeliner down, I went in with a really dark brown eyeshadow, and I'm just placing that on top just to deepen the eyeliner from the pencil, and also just to kind of fade out the top area so it looks like a nice faded, blended, smoky wing. So that's literally all that I did. I'm now going ahead and doing all of the cleanup just to make sure that everything looks nice and symmetrical. So I always take a concealer and my concealer brush and just kind of clean up that outer edge. This is going to make sure that your eyeliner looks perfect on the outer portion, the outer wing, and it's also going to make sure that both of your eyes look symmetrical because they are creating the same shape no matter what's going on your eyelid. Then I went ahead and added some mascara, and I am kind of focusing on the outer lashes, the outer corners of my lashes, just to kind of create a nice flared look. This is what the look looks like without eyelashes, with just mascara, and I feel like this is like perfectly fine for a nice everyday look. And it was also really super easy to do. I am, like I said, going for kind of like a natural basic eyeshadow look, and with the eye shape contouring. This is more of a natural look, so I did go in with some falsies, and I'm placing these under my lash line because I want them to look as invisible as possible. And these are the new Kiss Impress press-on lashes. These are super cool, interesting. They are glueless lashes. They come with like the glue on it already. I'll leave the link down below. Definitely suggest trying this out. But it made the look just that much more enhanced, that much more pretty. It made my lashes a little bit more voluminous without you even seeing any lash bands at all. So I'm a fan. But they're great for like a natural look just like this if you do want to kind of flare out the ends of your lashes. I also tight lined under my lash line just to kind of hide the lash bands as much as I can, and this is the final look. So like I said, lashes are optional, eyeliner is optional, but this is what we have going on. Let me know what you guys think. Let me know what you want to see next as well. If you aren't subscribed already, please do so and like this video. It really helps me out, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye.